Hello everybody, welcome to DVD 2024. It's NP Aerospace stand. We're excited to welcome you to our stand this year. We've got everything from our vehicle armor, bomb suits, vehicle systems and dynamics, and a lot of the upgrade programs we do for the UK government, as well as other governments around the world. And what we're showing here is the capabilities of what NP Aerospace does to integrate different types of advancements in technology and products onto existing fleets of vehicle. Effectively what that does is extends the life of vehicles and makes them usable and modern over time, providing that incremental spiral development to modernize, enhance, and ultimately improve the capability.
So behind us today we have our latest generation Ridgback XC platform. As part of this modification program that we've done internally, we have done a complete modification of the chassis system for a large capability benefit for mobility. We have done a Slimline Integration capability kit, which allows us to reduce the width and take off around 1.5 tons off the mass of the platform. In addition to that, we have also integrated a Moog system, which is a modular system in order to do various threat defense mechanisms. And in addition to all of this as well, we have also developed a unique modular power pack which can now be utilised throughout the whole Mastiff, Ridgback and Wolfhound platform set. The overall capability of this platform now is significantly improved and is delivered at a fraction of the price of any other platforms out on the market.
So there's a lot of terrain that we can tackle in the Mastiff XC that the standard Mastiff couldn't handle. So for instance here we're going over the concrete ditches. There's absolutely no effort whatsoever for the vehicle. Very comfortable.